everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wanted to multitask on your iPhone using two apps at the same time? While iPhone doesn't support true split screen like iPad, there are still ways you can maximize your multitasking. Let's dive in. First, check for photo in photo PIP support. Ensure your iPhone is running on iOS 14 or later. Open a compatible app such as YouTube or FaceTime and start playing a video or making a call. For this video, I'll be using the Chrome app and playing a YouTube video via Chrome. Open your YouTube on Chrome. Select the video you want to watch. Next, request desktop site. Now you can play your video in full and then head over to any other app you want to use on your iPhone. You can also drag the PIP window to any corner of your screen. Use pinch gesture to resize the window. And that's it, guys. Why true split screen isn't available on iPhone yet? Picture-in-picture mode lets you multitask effectively with a floating video window. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and share with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.